As a seasoned project management professional, I often encounter questions from individuals and teams eager to leverage the power of collaborative work management tools like Smartsheet. A common query, particularly for those just starting their journey, revolves around licensing. Do I actually need a license to create a Smartsheet? The answer, while seemingly straightforward, has nuances that are crucial for understanding how to effectively utilize this versatile platform, especially within educational or collaborative settings. Let's delve into the licensing structure of Smartsheet, demystifying the requirements and outlining the implications for creating and interacting with sheets. The core principle: Smartsheet operates on a licensed user model. At its heart, Smartsheet operates on a subscription-based model centered around licensed users. This means that to actively create, own, and administer Smartsheet items like sheets, reports, dashboards, and forms, an individual needs to have a paid Smartsheet license. Think of it like having a key to a specific set of functionalities within the Smartsheet ecosystem. Without a license, your ability to initiate and manage Smartsheet assets is significantly limited. You won't be able to start a blank sheet, build a project plan from scratch, design a dashboard to visualize progress, or create a form to collect data. The platform is designed such that the foundational act of creation and ownership resides with licensed users. Understanding different Smartsheet license types. Smartsheet offers various license types tailored to different user needs and organizational structures. Understanding these distinctions is key to comprehending who needs a license and why. Individual plans. These are typically designed for single users or very small teams. They provide a set of core Smartsheet functionalities suitable for managing personal projects or simple team tasks. An individual subscribing to such a plan is inherently a licensed user. Business plans. These plans cater to larger teams and offer enhanced collaboration features, increased storage, and more advanced functionalities like resource management and automation. Every team member who needs to actively create and manage Smartsheet items within a business plan will require a license. Enterprise plans. Designed for large organizations with complex needs, enterprise plans offer the most comprehensive suite of features, including advanced security controls, integrations, and user management capabilities. Similar to business plans, all users who need to create and own Smartsheet assets within an enterprise environment must be licensed. Gov plans. Tailored for government agencies, these plans meet specific security and compliance requirements. The licensing model remains consistent. Individuals creating and managing Smartsheet items need a license. The common thread across all these plans is that the act of creation and ownership necessitates a license. The role of collaborators, viewing and editing without a full license. While creating Smartsheet items requires a license, Smartsheet recognizes the importance of collaboration. This is where the concept of collaborators comes into play. Licensed users can share their Smartsheet items, sheets, reports, dashboards, forms, with individuals who may not have a full Smartsheet license. These collaborators can be granted varying levels of access, allowing them to view, see the data and structure of the Smartsheet item, edit, modify data within the sheet, depending on the permissions granted by the owner, comment, add notes and feedback to specific rows or the entire sheet, fill out forms, submit data through forms created by a licensed user. This collaborative functionality is crucial for project teams where not every member needs to be a primary builder of the Smartsheet structure but still needs to contribute to and interact with the information. For educational purposes, this allows instructors to create and share project templates or data collection sheets with students who can then contribute without needing their own full licenses.